Mass hydrophobic treatment of cement-based materials is a technique that involves adding the 3001 hydrophobic agent directly into the mixture during the batching process. Today, we show how to prepare the batch mixing water with 3001 admixture for your cement-based product. We need a ratio of 1 part 3001 to 100 parts of clean water. For this example, we use an empty 20-litre container as the mixing container. Start by measuring exactly 200 millilitres of the 3001 agent. You can use a measuring cup or a scale set to 200 grams. Pour the 200 millilitres into an empty, clean 20-litre drum. Be very careful not to spill any of the concentrate. Next, fill the drum all the way to the top with clean tap water. Secure the lid tightly and shake the drum well, or a mixing tool to ensure a consistent mixture. You now have approximately 20.2 litres of ready-to-use mixing water. This will give your cement-based product mix excellent permanent water repellent properties and permanent efflorescence protection. This video shows a 1 to 100 mixing ratio for 20 litres. However, for 100 litres, you simply use a 1 litre bottle of the concentrate. Simply add the solution to your dry mix as demonstrated here in the concrete mixer. It is fully compatible with tile, screed, render, and brick mortar using any mixing equipment that achieves consistent results. After the mix is cured, your concrete, render, or tile screed will be permanently water repellent. You can easily see and test the results yourself. First, we test the integral water repellency. A cross-section of the cured concrete sample demonstrates the depth of protection. By breaking the sample in half, we can see that the 3001 hydrophobic agent provides integral water repellency throughout the entire matrix, not just on the surface. Next, we look at efflorescence control. This coloured concrete sample was subjected to high salt content testing. The 3001 agent effectively stops the transport of water and any salts that water may carry to the surface, preventing the formation of unsightly efflorescence and preserving the integrity of the pigment permanently. Finally, we test the resistance to rising damp by demonstrating the capillary break effect. A treated sample is partially submerged in water to test for rising damp. The 3001 agent prevents capillary suction, ensuring no moisture is wicked upward into the dry portion of the material. For more information, visit our website nanovations.com.au.